Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. Myself Pawan Suryavanshi. So today we are going to discuss about important topic in Java programming language, that is operators in Java. So let's have a glimpse on presentation. So today we are going to cover points as what is operators and what are the types of operators. So let's have a glimpse on what is operator. So friends, the definition of operator is operators are the special symbols which performs any operation on one or more operands. So I'll show you the example. Let me open this paint. So suppose I'm giving an example, C equal to A plus B. Okay, so these are the operators these are the operators okay, sorry for this handwriting and these are the operands. Okay, so guys, operators, so these are the operands. Okay, so operators used to perform any operation on one or more operands. So we can use assignment operator, bitwise, then shift, then there are several operators we can use in Java programming language. So I'll show you that. So for example, these are the operands and these are the equal and plus sign, these are operators. So suppose for example A plus plus, this is the operand and this is operator. Okay, like this, A minus minus. So this is the increment and this is the decrement. So I'll show you that point. So like this, we have to use the operator. So I'll jump on my PPT. So there are several operators like arithmetic operator, unary operator, assignment operator, relational operators, logical operators, ternary, bitwise, shift and instance. So I'll show you one by one. So in arithmetic operators, friends, these are mathematical expressions. So in these operators we have to use addition, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So these are fall under arithmetic operators. And the second one is unary operator. So like I have show you that example, increment and decrement. So these are fall under unary operator. Okay, so increment increases value operand by 1. So I have given an example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So a plus plus means A's value is 10, then A plus plus means 11. So it will increment by 1, and decrement means A minus minus, that is 9. So 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So like this we need to use the unary operator, like increment and decrement. So third one is assignment operator. So this is commonly known as binary operator in Java. So equal to sign is used to assign a value to any variable. So these are several operators in assignment operator, like simple, then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So I have given an example over here, so you can go through this. Relational operators. So relational operator, it is like equality, greater than, less than, then greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So in program we need to use like this, equal to, not equal to, then greater than, less than. So these are fall under relational operator. And next one is logical operator. This is also known as a Boolean operator, and it returns a Boolean result based on the Boolean result of one or more expressions. So logical and, logical or, logical not. So these are fall under logical operators. Next one is ternary operator. It is also known as conditional operator, and this is consist of three operands, and it evaluates Boolean expressions. So the format is variable equal to expression 1, then we have to give question mark, expression 2, and expression 3. Likewise, we have to give this format, and we need to use this operator in program. Okay. So next one is bitwise operator. So bitwise operator, it is a manipulation of individual bits of a number. Okay, so it can be used with any type of any integer types. So bitwise operators are in this we have to use bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, and complement. So I have given this example, you can go through this. Shift operator. So shift operator is a bits of number of left or right, thereby multiplying or dividing the number of 2, and this can be used when we have multiply or divide a number by 2, and format is number, then shift up a number of places to shift, the format is, and left shift operator indicated like this, then signed shift right shift operated indicated like this, and unsigned right shift operated indicated, the symbol is like this. Okay. So the next one is instance of operator. Instance of operator is for type checking. It can be used to test if an object is an instance of object, a class, then subclass or interface. Format in program we have to use the format like object, instance of, then class A. We can use in subclass as well, and interface as well. So these are the operators, friends. You can go through this operators one by one. It is easy, and if you have any query regarding the operators, any query regarding these types of operator, you can put your comments in the comment section, and if you want me to cover any topics regarding this operator or program, then let me know in the comment section. I'll cover that as well. So yes, this is regarding the operators in Java. So thank you guys, thank you for watching video, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.